I know we are so ready for this moment, right? In behalf of the Patrick O'Daniel unit, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to the Billman Braille Center dedication ceremony.
I know getting recognized like this, that's a great challenge in your life. I know it is, because you're the type of person that just likes to see the job done and you don't like the recognition. But you're gonna have to endure, because we're gonna give you the recognition today, okay? Congratulations, it's well deserved.
It meant the world to me. It meant that the program was noticed, and people that work very hard get noticed, and TDCJ appreciates them for what they do and their contributions.
Ms. Billman has impacted many lives. By pure statistics alone, at last count, nearly 300 women housed here at the O'Daniel unit have earned over 400 Braille certifications through the Library of Congress or the National Braille Association.
It's the ones that they care so much that they're not just going to give you frills just to make you think you're doing good. And I just have so much appreciation for Ms. Billman. There's no words, because I was one of the ones where my career was shot when I came to prison. And I've been able to walk out of here and be just as successful after 8 years of being in prison as I was for 25 years before. The humility that came with it reminded me that there are so many things in life that are so much bigger than we are, and that's what this Braille facility is about.
Is that I wanted these women to have a career when they left the prison. And if I could see one inmate walk out and have a job and a career and better herself, that was my goal. Thank you all so much for being here. It's amazing, and I'm just humbled. Thank you so much.